So this is a 73.
Yes, sir.
And what gave you the idea to put that like that?
In the 70s and 80s, people that used to street race in Japan did that.
They did, and they put them through the headlight like that?
They either did the headlight or the grill.
Okay, right.
But it was like all the old Celicas and Datsun.
Yeah, that is so cool. It looks like the Borg, right? You know the Borg, what I mean by that?
Yeah.
It looks like that. It's like, it's so cool. That's a 73. What year did they start making that body style? You know?
It was in the 70s.
Was it, and how late, about, 5 years, 6 years, do you
I
think?
have a
Or
78 King Cab, same body style.
it's the same. Okay. So 78.
78, 79.
Yeah. So what year did they switch over from calling them Datsuns to Nissan in the U.S., I can't remember.
Around that body style.
Around that body style there. Okay.
That one's mine.
That's yours. Okay, cool.
It's a 1984 Nissan by Datsun. So
Got it, right.
They
changed,
over
yeah.
in 84, but they still called them Nissan by Datsun.
I think it was only the U.S. it was called Datsun, I believe, but I'm not sure. I think maybe Canada and some other countries, but maybe a lot more. I can't remember now. I read it up before, but I can't remember. But this is cool. There's a event on Sunday in Longview now too. I'm from Longview, so I don't come down this way as often.